Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Naufal Aksyal. My student identification number is 19241353 and I am from class 19 to the 13 and the title is Hardware. Hardware. Definition of hardware. Hardware is any device or computer component that is visible to the naked eye and can be touched directly. In other words, physical equipment that is useful for performing input, output, and processing operation. The purpose of its use on a computer system is to facilitate in the management of files and data. Hardware can be divided into categories. One, device, and two, output device. Input device. Input device is a hardware device whose job is to send data to the computer. Example of hardware input device. 1. Keyboard. Keyboard is the helps user enter symbols and numbers into the computer. 2. Mouse. Mouse, one type of hardware whose function is to move the cursor on the computer screen. 3. Scanner. Scanner used to convert physical documents, drawing, or photographs into a digital format. 4. Touchpad. Touchpad commonly found on laptops and mobile. User can use finger gesture to control the movement of the cursor on the screen and perform click function. An output device. Output devices are components or parts of a computer that have the main task of displaying the result of computational processing to the user. Example of hardware output device. 1. Monitor. Monitor, an important must-have feature to help display the output or result of processor instruction. 2. Printer. Printer can print all types of documents. It can print in any size and quality, including black and white or color prints. 3. LCD projector. LCD projector are useful in easily displaying movies and images on your computer LCD screen. Hardware function. Receive input. Some hardware has special function to accept user input. The entered data is then converted into new information. Provides input. This output can be audio output and others. Example include monitor, speaker, printer. Malicious program. What is malware? Malware is software that gets into the system without user consent to steal the user's private and confidential data, including bank details and password. They also generate annoying pop-up ads and makes change in system setting. They get into the system through various means. Along with free downloads, clicking on a suspicious link, opening emails from malicious source, visiting malicious website, not installing an updated version of antivirus in the system. Types of malware. Adware is unwanted software designed to throw advertisement of on your screen, most often within in a web browser. A virus is a malware that detects to another program, and when executed usually inadvertently by the user, replicates itself by modifying other computer program and infecting them with its own bits of code. Trojan. Trojan horse is one of the most dangerous malware types. It usually represents itself as something useful in order to trick you. A keylogger. Keylogger is malware that records all the user keystroke on the keyboard, typically storing in the getter information and sending it to the attacker, who is seeking sensitive information like username, password, or credit card details. Ransomware is a form of malware that locks you out of your device and or encrypts your files, then force you to pay a ransom to regain access. Worms. Worms are a type of malware similar to virus. Like virus, worms are self-replicating. How to know if a device is infected with malware? Performing poorly on the computer by accession. When your web browser directs you to a website you did not intend to visit, this is known as a browser redirect. Warnings about infection are frequently accompanied by offers to buy a product to treat them. Having trouble starting or shutting down your computer. Persistent pop-up ads. Tool used to remove malware. Tool used to remove malware. Malwarebytes super anti-spyware malicious software removal tool Bitdefender Antivirus Free Edition, Adware Antivirus Free, Avast Free Max Security. That's all for today's presentation. Please forgive if there are mistakes. If there is something you love, don't forget to express it. Thank you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.